Working with OtsAV broadcasting software and received an OMP package to import. These bundle complete media collections for radio and venue automation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to import and manage these OtsAV media package files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening OMP files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. A container file used by OtsAV, a professional audio and video playback software for DJs, radio stations, and broadcasters. Users create or encounter OMP files to bundle multiple media files, like MP3s and videos, with metadata, cue points, and album art, into a single manageable package for live performance. The OMP format is a proprietary archive, likely binary, designed to encapsulate various media assets and their associated metadata. This container approach simplifies media management for broadcasters by keeping all related files together, ensuring seamless playback and preventing missing asset errors during a live set. When viewing the file metadata, the OMP shows a direct link to OtsAV from OTS Labs. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows gives only surface-level insight into compressed files, so proper unpacking requires external tools. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your OMP file and select Open With. Test OtsAV if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the OMP file won't budge, stay calm. The source is most likely one of three common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, importing an OtsAV. Launch OtsAV and use File then Import or the Ots Turntables tool to load the OMP file. The application extracts contain media files into your library while preserving cue points, artwork, and metadata exactly as configured by the package creator. Imported tracks appear in your music database ready for playlist creation and automated playback. Next, extracting manually. Try renaming the OMP file extension to .zip and opening with 7-zip or WinRAR to inspect contents. If the package uses standard zip compression, you can extract individual audio files for use in other DJ software though, without the OtsAV specific cue points and configuration that make these packages valuable in their native environment. Finally, distributing packages. Within OtsAV, select tracks in your library and use the export package function to create new OMP files for sharing with other OtsAV users. This preserves all cue points, fades, and metadata across systems, ensuring consistent playback across multiple installations. Use OMP packages for distributing professionally prepared content to franchise locations or partner venues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.